Hey guys, Deepak here. So today I'm going to introduce one product which is hammer machine, and we can say drilling machine also. The company is Atom Power Premium. I don't know whether this is made in India company or Chinese company. I need it for some purpose. I procured it. Let's see the specification. It's a AP-RT26 model, and the specification is rate voltage 220 volt, rate frequency 50 megahertz, maximum drilling capacity 20 mm, and maximum capacity of wood it's a 30 mm. Related input 1200 watts, no load speed 900, and the net weight of drilling machine is 3.2 kg. Let's see the machine. So guys, this is machine. It's a handle, and we have 5 bits. Let's see. So let's open one by one. This bit is for normal drilling purpose, and other one is and uh, and this is for cutting the brick, and we can hole in the lantern part. And third one is this one. It's a good bit. And this is also for holding purpose. And this is a small bit, so we can hold in brick area and wall. So guys, these are the 5 tools which we can use with this machine for drilling purpose and hammering purpose. This is basically handle which we can insert here. This is basically function which we can use accordingly. For drilling purpose we can use this. For drilling purpose also we can use this one, and this is for holding purpose, and this is for T something kind of hammering purpose. So I bought this machine, drilling machine, because I have seen and checked all the function. This machine is good. I haven't go for the branded,